Providing reliable and innovative solutions for effective business management is our mission. We have created the ELMARK E-Business platform that facilitates business processes, has integrated solutions, and most importantly, saves time and cost for your business. You do not need to write emails or have long phone calls. You can quickly and easily plan and manage your resources with just a click, directly from the platform. In this video, we'll present the basic features and navigation in the ELMARK's E-Business platform menu. There are more than 10,000 products in the portfolio of ELMARK in the sections of electrical equipment and lighting. To choose a product for your project as easy as possible, there are 3 ways to search an item. You can choose the most convenient for you. Using keywords. Another fast search option is by keyword or catalog number. Type multimeter in the search engine and all results containing the phrase are displayed. In the menu, on the home page, click the menu and select the category and subcategory. Access the catalogs. On the home page, you can view our online catalogs separated into basic product categories. Click on the View Catalog banner to choose the right catalog and hence the desired product. We have looked through the products. So, let's return to the home page where you can find a current base price list. Press the price list button and download it. That's all it takes. Every month we publish promotions with attractive discounts. On the home page, hit the promotions button and you can look through all products involved in the campaign. We have now chosen the suitable item we are looking for. Let's look through the information on the product page. Business discount. After registration, you receive your individual discount shown on the products page in the commercial discount section. For certain items, we offer even better terms, so you need to select half pallet, pallet, mixed pallet or production options for your order. Availability and date of delivery. You receive information about your current stock and the exact delivery date for the products you have chosen. To plan your supply, you also get the date of future finished products in stock. Technical information. You have detailed technical parameters of the item. From the Documents button, you have access to Declaration of Conformity, certificates, test and instruction for operation and installation. All ELMARK products come with up to 7 years extended warranty. Take advantage of the extended warranty option by making your registration with elmarkholding.eu. Now, let's make an order. Add a product by hitting Add to the Basket button. Click on the basket and look through all items you have selected. You can edit your order, add or remove items. Do you know you can get an offer at the moment? Once you have selected a product from your project or your customer, you can download and print the document directly from Print. The quotation includes quantity, price with discount, and terms. This functionality is useful because it saves you the communication and waiting process to get an offer. After sending an order, a printed invoice is generated by the system that is automatically sent to the email you register. Information about your order can be obtained from the menu Products and Orders, Order List. Your order will be executed and sent according to the commercial terms of the partnership contract that we have signed. Do you know that even if you're on the road, you have access to ELMARK E-Business platform on all your mobile devices? Download the mobile application from Google Play or App Store and from the platform homepage. You can manage your orders quickly and easily from your smartphone at a suitable time for you. Try the business platform and take advantage of all integrated solutions for the benefit of your business.